Hi everybody, so this may not be a pretty video, but it will be the diagram that I didn't have time to give you guys before. So basically what you're trying to do here is you're trying to draw a cube. In the previous one we did the rotation, but we didn't handle the height. So in this case, if we have a 2-point vanishing point situation and I have a cube, I'm going to start with the leading edge of the cube. And then based upon that, you can draw guidelines representing the eventual walls of the cube. And I'm creating a thing called a measuring line down here. And then I'm transferring the height of the cube by rotation or any method. It's all in true view, but I'm transferring those measurements down to either side of the measuring line on either side of the leading edge, because that's the true view length of the cube. And then what we're trying to do is we're trying to foreshorten it onto these lines here that are vanishing to vanishing points 1 and 2. So the first thing you do is this. The second thing is there's a formula that I would like you to memorize. It's vanishing point to station point equals measuring point. There's one measuring point for every vanishing point that will perfectly foreshorten any kind of measurement you have onto that foreshortened line. And so, for instance, if you measure from vanishing point 2 to station point 2 and then swing that measurement up here to the eye level, there will be a measuring point 2 up in this vicinity, and it looks kind of like this. So if you swing that measurement up to there, you can find measuring point 2. Now this is the point that becomes necessary, because if I take this measurement, draw to measuring point 2 until I intersect this line, at that point if I raise a vertical, that is the height of the cube foreshortened at that angle onto a vanishing line. And then, as an example, that's how you would do measuring point 1. You'd measure from vanishing point 1 to station point 1, swing it up to the eye level, you get measuring point 1. You draw from the measuring line to measuring point 1 until you cut it off. At that point you draw a vertical, and you have the first two sides of your cube. And then at that point all you have to do is use the vanishing points you have to draw the guidelines, and then you can finish the cube. So anyway, that's the diagram we missed last class. That's the one you need to complete the homework assignment, and that's about it. Hope that helped you guys. Bye-bye.